Hi guys! Welcome back! In this video, we share a super simple potato salad. It's creamy and delicious, and always a great addition to any meal. You should use potatoes that won't fall apart after cooking. Red or yellow potatoes work well. We used yellow potatoes for this recipe. To cool the potatoes down faster, you can place them in a pot of cold water. The good thing about this recipe is that it doesn't need many ingredients. What really makes this recipe work is the spring onion. It really adds flavor. Please like and subscribe for more videos.